Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 10 we change by 1 plus 9. This one that is about identity. So we put 3x plus 1 to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about 3x plus 1 equal to 3 tan t. Because if I put this one going here, we have 9 tan t squared. Number 9, we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1, we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and dx. Now we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. Next, we divide both sides by number 3. So this one we put in here and here. The x we change by this one. This one we have 9 tan t squared. Number 9, we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t squared. So we have 3 secant of t. So this one we have 27 tan t to the power of 3. This one divided by this one, we have secant of t. 27 divided by 3, we have number 9. So we have the formula in here. Tan t, we have tan t equals to sin t over cosine t. And secant of t, we have 1 over cosine t. So we put this one going here. Secant of t we change by this one. Now we need to combine, and we have sin t to the power of 3 over cosine t to the power of 4. About this one, we put about sin t squared and sin t. Next, we have the formula sin t squared plus cosine t squared equals to number 1. So we have sin t squared in here. So I will put this one go to the right. So I will put this one going here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about z equals to cosine t. And later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have negative sin t dt. Next, because we don't have the negative, So I will put the negative go to the left. This one we change by z. This one we change by z. Sin t dt we change by negative dz. Number 9, I will put in here. So 1 divided by z to the power of 4 and z squared divided by z to the power of 4. Next, we have the formula. The integration of z to the power of n dz. We have z to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have negative number 3, negative number 3, negative number 1, negative number 1. About z, that is about cosine t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 3. And we got about t equals to R10 of this one. And now we need to change t into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.